Stop.
Spray again. Spray again. Spray again. Yeah. Yep.
Take the key out. Take the key out. You almost snapped it.
No, I'll hold it like this.
Let go.
In the upright position, because then it won't come out. It won't come out if you hold it like that. It won't come out.
It's not on, is it?
No, it's not on.
Battery. Oh, all right. Let me clean it out again. That didn't work. That didn't work, so forget the choke.
Full throttle is good.
There's a spray. Not yet. The key's in right? Hold on. There. Don't snap the key again. Okay, take the key out.
Spray it.
No, it doesn't work like that. It's filled with water. Hold on. A lot of water coming through.
Yep. Okay guys, there's going to be a part 2 to this video because my phone is going to die. So, yep. I'm going to just do the video on my iPad and upload this. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be part 2 to this video. And I hope I have flip camera on my iPad. We'll see you all in the next video.